When the mortgage shop contacted me to create a large mural inside of the Belfast City Airport, I thought it was a really cool opportunity to engage and create something that is colourful and exciting when you first walk in to the baggage area. I think Belfast is quite a colourful city, so it was really important to be able to capture that as you walk in, and you'll see lots of bright, bold colours.
Danni's picture there is very much about being at home and back at home, and I suppose at the mortgage shop that's what we do. We help people get into homes.
The whole process of this mural took a couple of weeks, but the painting was over the space of around a week between Carl and I, and it's been quite an exciting thing seeing it transform the space as to what it was. The inspiration for this mural was to really capture the personality of Northern Ireland and Belfast, and to use all different types of landmarks, places, things that make this place home for so many people. So you can see on one wall there is a big map of Northern Ireland with lots of different key landmarks, different places that people can see visually where things are. And then on the other wall is quite an interactive space where you can stand in front of it and have your photo taken under the umbrellas.
I think it's fantastic. It's very visual when you first walk in.
It's a really nice way to be able to welcome people to Belfast and to Northern Ireland.